Hi all, I'm Dr. Paige. So today I wanted to show you my favorite spinal stabilization exercise. If you've read my blog or if you've read my ebook, Why is My Back So Tight, there's a lot of references to spinal stabilization. Well, this is going to be the video that shows you how to do that. At least one of the ways, one of the best ways how to do that. And if you haven't read my blog or looked at my ebook, the links will be below so you can find them there. But this exercise is so critical for spine health because it emulates how these muscles are supposed to actually activate in real life. Our target muscles for this exercise are the multifidi. They're kind of Christmas tree shaped as they move along your spine, and they prevent kind of side bending, rotation, and a little bit of forward bending. And again, I said they prevent because they hold your spine in a specific pattern. They don't move it through a motion so much. So in an exercise that emulates that, we're going to be preventing a motion, like rotation. So for this exercise, you can do it really anywhere. You can do it at home, you can do it in the yard. Maybe future videos will show you various different locations you can do it. But for this one, I'm going to use my doorway. Okay, so we're going to head over to the perfect wall to do this on. So a wall like this is ideal, and basically a wall like this means you can get your hands on either side of it. So any doorway in your house would work. If you have a wall that just sticks out, that works fine, or even just a pole where you can get your hands on both sides of it. Now when you're doing the exercise, you're going to look straight ahead to keep your spine straight. So one hand at a time, I'm going to push into the wall. I'm going to count 1, 2. I'm going to alternate and push into the wall with my other hand. I'm going to count 1, 2. You're only going to push about 10 to 25% of your strength. So I'm not trying to push over the wall. I'm just trying to push with a load that challenges my spine to prevent it from rotating. I'm meeting the muscle where it's at so I can encourage it to do more and more to support me. Because what you're doing is you're using those spinal stabilizers, those multifidi, to prevent your body from rotating. So when you're doing it accurately, everything's going to stick straight. Your hips aren't going to shift, your back isn't going to shift, and you're going to be looking straight at the wall. So it's going to look something like this. So it doesn't look like much because they do small loads, but this is their job and this is how we're going to train them to be active to keep you supported throughout your day. So I'll challenge you to add this easy exercise into your day if your spine is feeling stiff, if it's feeling immobile, or just generally achy. The best way to do this in reality is every time you find a wall like this, like one wall in your house, do 5 of them. If that doesn't work for you, about 10 breakfast, lunch, and dinner would work ideal. If you found that helpful, you can follow me on my Instagram at Back in Motion LLC, or my Facebook, which is also Back in Motion LLC, and I have a lot of helpful tips and tricks that run through my newsletter as well that you can sign up for at backinmotionllc.com. And if you'd like to continue to watch us on here, hit that subscribe button so you can always get updated, and we've got new videos and new ways to help you. Thanks.